From the dirtiest pans to delicate glassware, the energy-efficient AEG ProClean Dishwasher quietly delivers outstanding cleaning results, load after load. Glasses are handled with care thanks to the SoftGrips wine glass holders. Fragile stemware is gently and firmly held in place during the dishwashing cycle. SoftSpikes offer additional stability. The AEG ProClean has 5 spray levels and an innovative satellite spray arm to ensure maximum water coverage and perfect cleaning of every load. The dishwasher interior is flexible and spacious, with enough room for 15 full-place settings. The upper and lower racks can be quickly adjusted to meet your needs. The cutlery tray can be removed for easier unloading. And the top rack is an ideal place for washing baking trays. The ProClean models are energy efficient and operate quietly to as low as 39 decibels. AEG ProClean dishwashers are available with a selection of options and accessories. The new AEG glass basket protects up to 8 delicate wine glasses in the dishwasher. It can be used for both long stem and large-shaped glasses. The AEG descaler is a high-quality solution to remove and prevent limescale buildup and bad odors. The AEG degreaser removes unpleasant smells and food deposits for a grease-free dishwasher. Together, these cleaning products keep your dishwasher performing at a high standard. AEG ProClean. Superior cleaning results.